Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Label Art. Today I show you how to redesign or packaging any detergent packet. So choose the Tide detergent packet. You all know the name of the detergent company. So today I show how to redesign the Tide detergent packet. So friend, if you want to see the video like this type of video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. And if you like it, also share to your all friends and comment me. Okay, let's start. First, I take the blank page. The page height is 1696 pixel and width is 1270 and DPI is 300 and choose the solid color layer. This is my base color, and next I take the image and pressing the Ctrl T for transform image. Press the Ctrl T, it's help resize the image according to the work. Next, I add the masking and keep the background color is white and foreground color is black and select the masking. I take the brush and little erase it. Okay. For this, you must increase and decrease the opacity of the brush. Friends, please note the every step carefully. Okay. See, it's decrease and increase the opposite of the brush. Okay. See, note all of things and erase in such a way that it's blend with the background. And as I need it, increase the opacity of the brush. If you see that the area has been erased too much, then I will opposite the foreground background color for the show it before again. Background color is black and foreground color is white. Guys, only I will change the color of the opposite for the look like before. In the way, by adding masking, I will fix the whole pages according to the work. Okay. Next, I take the PNG image. This is a logo of Tide detergent and transform image by press the Ctrl T. Now I change the color of logo because that I will not the copy of same thing. So I can change the color logo. Now using by magic wand tool, those color I want to change, just select it and click it, and then after giving the color that I want to give in the background, select the layer and press the in backspace. So that's the color I want, that color will come. Next, further I want to change the image color. So using the magic wand tool and select the particular color and change it, and similarly keep the color I want to change the background and select the layer of the press Ctrl backspace. So in my according I change many color in the image because I am doing it redesigning, so I choosing those color I want, I prefer. When you are doing this type of work, you choose any color you accordingly. Please watch carefully every step by step. Now I take the bubble PNG image and press the Ctrl T and adjust the image for the look presentable. Okay, after rasterize the layer, I will do the image in the screen mode. I edit something. See, I copy the bubble image pressing by Ctrl J. Ctrl J help the copy any layer or image. Okay. Then press the Ctrl T for transform the image. Put the image in other side and adjust it by using Ctrl T. Wherever I want to edit like this, I will do it like this. Okay? Done. Friends, if you do this type of PSD file or PSD image, please check my description box. Friends, I share something with you that it my according many type of product have in the market. There are many type of packaging, very variety type of packaging, but some product design could have been little better. It's my opinion. And the design the remaining in my running the in the market but are very 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 beautiful. But I am sharing with you that what I would have done if I had done the work. Understand, guys? Then I take another water layer PNG image and transform image and rotate the image and put the surrounding the logo. Okay. Now I take the lemon image. Friends, lemon is very useful organic thing. In the detergent market, the fragrance of lemon is very popular. So I take the lemon picture. In the current market, every detergent has been spent. So I choose the lemon essence or lemon fragrance. You all say. I put the lemon image and press the Ctrl L for adjust the lemon level, image level point. Okay. And then adding the masking in the same way. Background color is white and foreground color is black, and lightly erase it. Make it look presentable and better presentable. Okay. Next, I draw a circle using the circle tool and double click in the layer and put the color in the color picker. Next, and I write the new word in using the text tool and change in the font style. I am trying to, it's myself. You are try to yourself. So something is new. Let's select the round and go to the effects, use the stroke color. Now I choose the white stroke color in the words and readjust the color level. Okay. Now I take a towel image and the clean the side and cut it the towel area image. I do something is better looking for better looking and add the masking for the surface, erase the surface area in the background color and mixing it in the background. Then using the blur tool and blur tool used for the surface edges erase for the packet is more presentable and press the Ctrl T for the readjust the image. Okay, done, and it's readjust. Now I take the another image and now I take the lemon PNG image and put it and cut the extra pieces and using the pen tool and delete it. I take a flares image for better looking. I have done everything in the packet for its better looking. Okay, since it's a lemon fragrance detergent, so I put the lemon image above the towel. Then use the text tool. I will write the something whichever written on the detergent packet. So I have added some text here. Usually I type of text seen in the detergent packet. I am use same type of text like 2x power, many things. All I am doing is the make the packet is beautiful and presentable. For it's beautiful and presentable. Okay. As you need, you have other word in the inner packaging. Okay, designing. It's look beautiful, clean and elegant by using less element. Okay. I just try it. It look like beautiful and elegant. Every element is used is very less. Please note the everything and carefully watch step by step. Have liked this packaging, please comment me. Next, in the background, increase the level of the sun ray by using a Ctrl L for better looking. See? Wow! See, the look is completely changed after this effect. So nice. It's my one of the favorite packaging. So friends, if you want to see this type of videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like and share the video. And if you want to PSD file in free, so definitely check my description box. You will get the link from there. Then I something added and edited some things for better looking. So I copy the other flower fair, pressing Ctrl J and rotate it, and last it save it. Okay, complete. And last trial the packet designing. First see how to see the packet. Now see, friend, let me know what you think of the designing. Please comment me and please like, share and also subscribe my channel.